Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now we are starting with the new series from which we are going to do all the JEE main questions from 2025, class 11, chapter 1, which is some basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, so we are going to cover up all the questions which have been asked in this particular chapter. All right, so let's start. Our first question is 20 milliliter of 2 molar sodium hydroxide solution is added to 400 milliliter of 0.5 molar sodium hydroxide solution. So what we have been given two types of sodium hydroxide solution, sodium hydroxide solution 1 and sodium hydroxide solution 2. Okay, you can write it down, that is this one is solution 1 and this one is solution 2. All right, and we have been given the volume. The volumes are different. First sodium hydroxide solution has volume V1, which is 20 milliliter, and its molarity M1 is 2 milliliter. Okay, the next one is the second sodium hydroxide solution, which has volume V2, 400 milliliter, and its molarity is M2, 0.5 molar. Both are sodium hydroxide solution. So what we have done is we have mixed them. Okay, because we have added 20 milliliter 2 molar sodium hydroxide solution to 400 milliliter 0.5 molar sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, so total volume right now after mixing, total volume after mixing is V1 plus V2, which is 20 milliliter plus 400 milliliter. So that is 420 milliliter. Okay. Now we have been asked that what is the final concentration of this solution in 10 raised to power negative 2 molar, and we have to convert it into the nearest integer, that is we have to find out. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to apply a formula in which mixing of two different solutions with different volumes and different molality, but the solute of the particular solution is going to be same. Okay, so for that we can have a formula that is called concentration after mixing. Okay, and remember this is the concentration of sodium hydroxide. It is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 divided by total volume. Okay, once again it becomes M1 V1 plus M2 V2 divided by V1 plus V2 total volume. We have calculated it. Okay, now M1 is 2 molar multiplied by volume is 20 milliliter plus M2 is 0.5 molar and volume is 400 milliliter divided by V1 V2 is, we have calculated it earlier also, 420 milliliter. Okay, now we are going to solve it. 2 multiplied by 20 is 40 plus 0.5 multiplied by 400 is 200 divided by 420 which becomes 240 divided by 420, and we are going to divide it by 2. 2 is a common factor. It becomes 12 divided by 21. When we divide this, okay, let's do it over here. 21 and 12. As we know, 12 is smaller number as compared to 21. So we are going to add one 0 over here, and a decimal is added over here. So 21 fives are, if we look at that, which is going to be approximately equal, because if we take 6, 21 6s, that is going to be quite bigger number. Okay, 21 fives are, it's going to be 5, 105. Okay, we are going to minus it. It is going to be 15. Once again, 15 is lesser than as compared to 21, so 10. And if we multiply 7 with 21, approximately, right, it's going to be 147, and we get the 3. Okay, we can do it after it also if you want to, if you want to do it, you can do it after it also. 0, that is 1, 21. All right, that becomes 9, right? Then there is 0, and this may go on. So it comes out to be 0.571 molar. But our question has asked it should be nearest integer, so there is no decimal once. Second thing is there, it should be in the multiple of 10 raised to power negative 2 molar, so that can be sorted out. So it is almost 0.57 molar approximately, because 1 is very small as compared to 5. So it is, whenever we are rounding it off, 1 can be omitted or neglected, and we have to convert it into 10 raised to power negative 2 power. Okay, that we can do is if we take 57. So this is going to be the answer of this particular question, which have been asked in JEE Main 2025. I hope you understood that how you have to solve these kind of questions. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.